Hey guys, it is June and I am standing here in a buck forage plot on the field that we're actually doing our Build Your Own Deer Factory segment on this year. And this is a plot that I planted last year, and I fought a lot of weeds in this plot because I'm down in the middle of a great big river bottom and the seedbed's very prolific. So every time I turn it over and try to plant something new, a lot of times I have a lot of weed competition come up. But as you can see, all that hard work that I put into the frustration that I had fighting those weeds last summer has paid off. And this summer, I've only got a little bit of grass. So what I'm gonna do today is I've got a hand sprayer, and I'm just gonna go out and I'm gonna spot spray these grasses in places where they're starting to come up through this clover. You can see it's about time for me to come in and mow this off just a little bit, but the deer traffic here is amazing. Man, I've got trails all over. These deer are hitting this. I'm guessing they're bedding right back here behind us in this bedding area that we've created, and this is what we're looking for. So hey, summer maintenance is important. Just make sure that you stick through it when you're fighting your weed beds in your food plots. It may not work out that year, but the next year, like we have here, man, it comes to fruition. And now we've got just a little bit of maintenance to do, a little mowing, a little spraying, and man, we're gonna have just a beautiful buck forage clover plot here this year on this farm.